In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use a VPN extension with Google Chrome vertical bar setup and walkthrough. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the Chrome Web Store without any issues. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for VPN. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into the address bar or your search engine, then opening the official store page. Once you are there, use the search bar in the store to type VPN. This will bring up a list of available VPN extensions for Chrome. Take a moment to look through the results carefully. When you find the VPN extension you want to use, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will usually show a small pop-up asking you to confirm the installation. Review the permissions if they appear, then continue with the installation. After a few seconds, the extension should be added to your browser. After the extension is installed, click on the extensions icon in Chrome. From there, click Connect. The VPN extension will begin connecting, and once it is active, you should see a status change that confirms you are connected. Some VPN extensions may also let you choose a server location before connecting, but the main action here is simply to open the extension and press Connect. That covers everything you need to know.